Spreadsheet123 is a place to get all the essential office products suitable for different situations. The list in their collection of spreadsheet templates keeps growing and includes a large selection of budget spreadsheets, retirement savings, and business templates with most powerful and easy-to-use stock-taking, invoicing, payroll, and time management tools you can find. They have also begun development of free calendars and some word templates such as business cards, gift certificates, and address labels. In essence, you have here a website that can help in creating a form of a tabular project regardless of the format. The varieties of content on this site make it easy to get just the best product. Here are some of the schedule and table type you will get when you get to use the software. Rent payment schedule. With this, you can easily track your rent payments with Excel. Break-even analysis. When you download Break-even Analysis Calculator, you get the chance to calculate a break-even point for single or multiple products to use in your business plan. Student schedule. This is a printable template which allows to create a class schedule and enter important tasks and assignments. Weekly schedule. Another printable template that helps to keep your day-to-day life organized. In addition, you can also download the bi-weekly schedule version that allows creating schedules for up to 10 weeks ahead. Monthly attendance tracking form. With this printable monthly attendance tracker, you can easily track class attendance or attendance at church, summer school, or workshops. Yearly attendance tracker. This allows for daily, monthly, and yearly tracking of attendance of the students in a class. It includes tabs for every month from August to July. Daily planner template. When you download this printable daily planner, you will easily get the chance to keep your day-to-day tasks, meetings, and appointments well organized. The spreadsheet includes space for preset special events and holidays, which will appear automatically when relevant dates are selected. Customer list. This is a simple-to-use template that can store all your valuable customer data in a single place for easy access. Net paycheck calculator. It also comes easy for you to easily estimate your take-home pay. Daily to-do list. It will help you organize your daily tasks. Prioritized to-do list. Different from the above because it helps you give some works a high priority. Moreover, it is efficient for keeping a record of your tasks. Online banking password list. This easy-to-use template can help you create and remember complex passwords for your day-to-day online banking. Website password list. With this, you can easily create a list of the websites or blogs and their login credentials. It is also suitable for small web development agencies and freelancers. Password log. Here is a password log template for Excel that helps you keep a log of your email, access, usernames, and passwords in one secure place. Hosting register. You also get the chance for a printable hosting register for storing hosting-related information, access passwords, and other important details in one place. Daily special menu. You have here a simple daily special menu planner, which helps to quickly create and print menus daily for your restaurant or cafe by selecting predefined dishes from the list. Even if you want to modify it for personal use, you are at liberty to use it. Event fundraiser. With this, you can easily track all charitable donations using the simple-to-use event fundraiser template for Microsoft, Excel, Google Docs, and OpenOffice. Professional project Gantt chart. This template is for project scheduling and management. Using this, you can easily manage tasks and subtasks, create task dependencies, monitor the progress of each task in your project with ease. Free foreclosure risk calculator. It is such that helps in assessing the risk of loss factor involved in the process for both buyer and sellers. Weekly meal planner. This printable template helps to quickly plan your family or school meals with ease. Monthly planner. This printable template will help in creating a monthly schedule for your family, household, or business. Debt reduction manager. This particular one will help you to organize and prioritize your debt. Using it, you can easily select a suitable strategy for paying multiple debts on credit cards and loans quicker and save in interest with help of this template. College Student Budget Calculator. Here is a simple way to create your college budget plan. Why you need Spreadsheet123. Constant updates. Their cloud-based technology allows you to forget that you need to update your system because their teams are constantly working on updating their system and using new technologies. No program installation or buying of licenses. Through this site, you can easily get a lot of spreadsheets for different things without paying for a license. Besides, you don't need to install any software to make it work. Easily accessible, their spreadsheets have been created into different platforms to make it accessible for you. This way, you are not stranded when it's time to use. Adaptable, they ensure that they created different spreadsheets for people of different preference. Thus, if you can't use some of their Excel templates, you can opt for the ones created for Word.